Special Appreciation Award for Innovation in Welding and Industrial Automation Solution goes to ARM Welders Pvt. Limited.
ARM Welders Pvt. Limited, established in 1978. ARM Welders began its journey manufacturing special purpose control transformers and has since grown into a prominent force into the welding industry. With visionary guidance from founder Mr. Atul Khanderia and dynamic leadership by Mr. Brijesh Khanderia, the company now operates 3 manufacturing plants, numerous sales and service offices across India, and global partnerships. ARM Welders is committed to deliver superior technology, increased productivity, and efficiently addressing diverse welding needs.
Thank you, Rail Analysis. Thank you for this prestigious award. In 1977, Pune, we started this ARM Welders. We have been supplying and giving the services to automobile sector, furniture, railways, and construction. So we have been supplying robotic automation, complete robotic automation for the rolling stock manufacturing, for roof, sidewall, underframe, car line, end wall. So next time, whenever you see railways, please think of us. Thank you.
Thank you very much.